What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to set up face unlock in Redmi Note 13R. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and click on fingerprints, face data and screen lock. Now here click on face lock and then confirm by your PIN. After entering the PIN, click on next and then click on start. Now click on next and then scan your face in this area. Now after scanning, click on done, or you can also give a name. And after giving name, click on done. And now face unlock is enabled. So that's how you can set up face unlock in Redmi Note 13R. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.